Welcome guys, this is KOK Gift Baskets and More. I'm bringing to you some little coffee mug Valentine's Day concepts I'm going to put together. These are going to be really simple. These are from last year. Carried these over from last year, and I did not have any lotion or anything in it last year, so I put a little small lotion inside, and hopefully that will um, you know, give it the little bump that it needs to go ahead and sell. So I am going to just put them in these bags that I purchased specifically for these tumblers. They are 9 by 20, 9 by 20, and you can purchase them from Amazon. Okay, 9 by 20 cellophane bags. So this coffee mug here, this has the XOXO design on it. It has a little plush octopus, and I put in my little small little lotion, and I'm going to tape the sides around to the back. These are really simple. Don't fuss over these little coffee mug concepts too much. And if you don't have these bags, if you don't want to buy the bags, don't worry about it. Use whatever you have. I'm just moving the little fur from the eyes on the octopus to kind of just make the presentation a little bit better. I'm going to put just a little bit of shred. I'm just going to ball it up here and just put it right here in between the plush and the lotion. On the other one I did that I'll show you, I have the shred kind of in the front, but I'm just going to fill up that little area there. Just a little bit of shred. I don't want to put too much. Use my little Chanel stem here. And I think I may start, I saw somebody that cut these in half. I thought that was a really good idea. I have tons of them, but it's good to save every way you can in this business. You can get 2 gifts out of one Chanel stem. That's good. All right, so I just cut the excess off the top, and I got these beautiful little ribbons, little pull bows. I got these off of Shein. I went online and got these from Shein. They don't cost that much. I just love the colors in it. I used some last year that were more of a pastel color. These are a little bit darker, and I really love the color, so I decided to just go ahead and get some of this color as well. Let me see if I can get the lighter shade so I can show you what they look like. I'm going to show you the difference in the 2 color ribbons. Okay, so this is the pale colors here. The pinks, the greens, the blues, the yellows. The one that I'm using now on these coffee mugs see, they're much darker. Got some purples, some deep blues. This is the difference in the 2. And I love both of them. Okay. So I got all of these from Shein. They have a really nice variety of pull bows. So let's put that to the side. And so I'm finished with this one. This is the one I did off camera. Okay, this one I had the lotion standing up a little bit more, which I should have on that one, but that's going to be just fine. As long as you can see it, you poke it out there, that's going to be good. Okay, this next one I'm going to do, this is a cute one here. I only have one of these. Be My Valentine. And guys, if you're like me, I know you're sorting through your inventory. And some of you have a lot. Those of you that don't really have your inventory amassed yet, you're in a good position. So that way you can only get what you need. If you have anything left over from last year, just use what you got. I really didn't need to buy anything because I had so much in my stockpile, and also I had a lot in a lot of orders that were due to arrive, so I didn't really need to get anything else for Valentine's Day. And it looks like at the rate I'm going, I may not need anything for Mother's Day. So we'll see. We'll just wait and see how it goes. I'm going to cut this stem in two and go ahead and try it. Because these bags are really small. It doesn't take that much to go around it and twist it. So that's a good idea. My sister gave me that idea. She's really good at cost-saving methods. So I decided to try it. But I think I've seen it on one other channel. I just can't remember what channel it was. But I think it's a wonderful idea. I'm just putting a little extra tape on here. Tighten up my bag a little bit around the coffee mug. And I'm going to use that same color ribbon. This one, I probably should use a red one. I think a red one will probably be better for this one. So let me see. The red ones that I have. Okay, let's see. I just got some ribboning yesterday. Okay, I think I'm just going to use a white one on this one. I think it'll go better with the gift and the color of the mug. And then this pull bowl is a little bit smaller. This coffee mug is small. So I think it's going to be fine. It's going to be just fine. Okay. Put that string off. And I'm just going to curl the ends. Cut it down just a little bit. Okay, so this is this one, really cute. So I'll put that back here. These mug concepts, I think I'm going to leave them at 10 just so I can push them on out. Maybe 10 or 15, I'm not sure. And I forgot I had these. I found them in one of my boxes. So, a little sock monkey, little coffee mug. So I'm just going to take the sides down. And I'm sorry, I have it kind of close to me so that I can tape it good. I know I need to have it in front of you guys. So what I just did, guys, was just taped the sides to the back. And now I'm going to I'm not sure what color I want to use on this one. Coffee mug is blue. So I'm going to see what color pool bowls I have. I'm not going to use any fabric ribbon on this. These are inexpensive, so the pool bowls are the most cost-effective way to design with these coffee mugs. I thought I had some different color ribbon, guys. I may end up just using one of these. A red would have been better, but this is going to work just fine. Use what you have, make it work. To go out and buy some red pool bowls. Not going to do that. Okay, so this is the little sock monkey coffee mug. I'm going to do my last one here. Just straighten out the bottom so I can fold the sides back. I'm just going to hold it up. Let the tape attach to the bottom. Take it around to the back. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm left-handed, so I turn my bags and things the opposite direction, guys. So just let the tape stick to the bottom. Take it and pull it as tight as you can around the back. Okay, and just grab it up toward the top. If you want to taper it some more, if you see some plastic sticking out, like right here on the side, you can take that, fold it to the back. Okay, so I'm going to get a Chanel stem and close this bag up. Cut some of this excess off the top. Get a pool bowl here. And And I think these little multicolored pool bowls are really pretty because you got so many different colors in it. You can match them up with a lot of different color gifts. Okay. So this is cute, guys. This is finished. I think I may take them to 15. The little coffee mug, the little lotion, and the little plush inside. I think that's going to be just perfect. All right, guys. So here are our concepts again. Here's the sock monkey. I have 2 of those. There's this little octopus here. All of them have lotion. Little travel size lotion. And this is the last one. All right, guys, I think those came out really beautiful. I am going to end this video and go on to the next. So thank you guys for joining me. I will see you on the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.